Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Alright, today we'll be looking at the difference of two squares. If I have an expression like this, let's say x minus y, x plus y. If I'm to expand it using the FOIL method, that's this first expression, x, multiply everything here into bracket x plus y. When I'm done with that, I use the second term here, negative y, to multiply everything here, x plus y. Now let's expand. X times x is x squared, plus x times y is xy, minus y times x is negative xy. Negative y times this is negative y squared. Negative y times y. This and this will go off. So x squared minus y squared. This is the difference of two squared. That means this expression is the same thing as, therefore, our x minus y, x plus y is equals to x squared minus y squared. This is the difference. So the difference of two squared, x and y, is x minus y, x plus y. Alright, with the idea of the difference of two squared, we can use it to expand what we have. The question here, 3x plus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 5. So from here, for the first one, 3x plus 5, 3x minus 5 is the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. That's the difference of two squares. So this is the square of the first term minus the square of the second term, which is 5. So 3x squared, that's 9x squared, minus 5 squared is 25. So I've ended up expanding this using the difference of two squared. The same thing with this, the number 2, 2a minus b into bracket 2a plus b. So the square of the first term, which is 2a, minus the second term is b, the square of it, so 2a squared. 2 squared is 4, that's 4a squared minus b squared. So that I've ended up expanding this using the idea of the difference of two squared. All right, let's take this last examples. You can be asked to simplify this using the difference of two squared, a square, or factorize it using the difference of two squared, a square minus 16. So the first thing, we know that from our difference of two square, this 16 can be broken down as a square or can be written as a square. And how do we write it? That's a square minus 4 squared, because it is 4 square that will give me 16. Now we have ended up having what we call the difference of two square. So from our first example of how we derive the difference of two square, so this becomes a square minus 4 square will be equals to a plus 4, a minus 4. So we have ended up simplifying this or factorizing it using the difference of two square. The next one is 25x squared minus 81. Now we have two things here. 25 can be written as 5 squared. So 25 is 5 squared, and we have our x squared, minus 81 can be written as 9 squared. So let's combine this as one term. So this is 5x all squared minus 9 squared. So we use the difference of two square. So that becomes 5x minus 9 into bracket 5x plus 9. So we have ended up factorizing this expression using the difference of two square. If you expand this, you are going to get this. Same with expanding expanding this. If you expand this, you will get this. All right, just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some list of take-home fun. For me, using the difference of two squares, simplify this. 121 minus 9y squared. The second one is 16s squared minus 40 squared. The third one, expand this using the difference of two squares, x minus 1 into bracket x plus 1. And the last one, 3x minus y into bracket 3x plus y. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you did, give us a like, share our videos, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics. And if you are here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Till meet again. If there's any question in mathematics that you're finding challenging, put it in the comment section. I will treat it at any aspect of mathematics. And also let me know the answers to this take-home fun in the comment section. Till meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.